Welcome back to the H.A.M Cam. Today we are working on a 2010 Mini Cooper 1.6 liter. Came in for a misfire, and right now cylinder 3 is looking like the ignition coil is completely dead. We do have Vanos codes for camshaft position B, which is the exhaust camshaft, and we have already swapped the exhaust camshaft and the intake camshaft sensors to see if it follows suit. You see that we have reset and we are starting to count all the way up again. I'm going to shut the car off. We're going to move the ignition coil and see if the misfire follows suit, and if so, most likely we just have a dead ignition coil. We also have a bad Vanos code, which could be the timing, which is a huge rabbit hole in itself if you know about the Vanos system. Alright, we have swapped the ignition coils and now we're going back into misfire data. We're going to see if it swapped locations. And it did. We have a dead ignition coil. We moved 3 and 4. So now we know that at least one problem is bad ignition coil. Now we need to go back, shut the vehicle off, leave power on, and we're going to go check out the current codes for the engine. We'll see if we have any other codes that popped up. Nope, I'm still under the engine category, so I got back out a little bit further. Code scan, whole system. It's going to take a moment. I'm going to pause this and we'll return. Alright, we have finished our scans. Now we're going to check to see if the camshaft position code popped up on the intake side versus the exhaust side, since we swapped the location of the sensors. And it has not. Still shows for camshaft position B, exhaust. But the vehicle may not have ran long enough. Huh? Okay. So the vehicle might not have ran long enough for us to actually get the code for changing the position of the sensors on the camshaft. The client did also complain of a coolant leak. However, when we pressure tested, we did not see signs of a coolant leak, but we are seeing some coolant, and we're about to go check that out.